So here we've got this lovely red Corvette, and we're going to be fitting an audio system to it. Let's grab some gear. To fit a new stereo to a Corvette like this, we've ordered in a special fitting kit, we've ordered in a wiring interface, an aerial, and of course the fancy stereo to do the biz. So these Corvettes had a slightly different shaped stereo to what we fit as a aftermarket. The best way of getting around, cutting a hole or doing something nasty is to supply a brand new fitting kit. So this piece has been designed and manufactured for this vehicle. So it's going to look fabulous when it's all finished up. So this has got the Bose audio system. It means to be able to keep all the Bose audio system, keep it all running the way the factory wanted it to run. It's going to retain the factory amplifier, which this harness allows us to do. We're about to fit this beautiful JVC stereo to this lovely red Corvette. We love this unit. It is an excellent entry point to the wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay technology. You can connect up, you can drive around, you can do all your things without having to have it plugged in. It's got the wireless hands-free Bluetooth. So you're chatting on the phone while you're driving your beautiful Corvette. It's got the big touch screen. It's got the ability to run amplifiers and subwoofers. It's got the built-in crossovers and time alignment and everything you could need to be able to do. This is your entry point for a good stereo that's going to do the job right.